have a Lockwood. It's a 301/63 that I got from Bosnian Bill in a package yesterday. It is very similar to the American Series 700 I got here. Same dimensions, hardened shackle. This is the Molly, and that's the keyway, and the American keyway is a bit smaller. We won't be using that anymore. And here's the key. That's the bitting on the key. It's very good. Works very smoothly. It has ball bearings, key retaining, 5-pinner, and I thought we'd try to pick this one. I did pick it now 3 times, 2 off camera, 1 on camera. However, when I tried to gut it, I screwed it up, and I spent the next 25 minutes trying to put it back together. And it's not possible to gut this one, I realized. So let's do that again. I will be using this pick. It's a Sparrows Euro hook, and top with the keyway. Okay. Got some time to spare. I don't have to go away on my trip until about an hour from now. I got some spare time. Oh, there we go. Just bounce around inside. Light tension, light to medium tension. Just bounce around in and out, and you get it open. I don't feel any security pins in this one. However, we are not able to gut this one to look inside the core. But what I can do is to remove the core to look at the inside. There we go. And see what we have here. We have the actuator and the grooves for the ball bearings to fall into when you turn the key. And that's the core. Anyway, can't do much more than that. I'll probably have to spend the next 25 minutes to put this one back together. Who knows? That's it. Bosnian Bill, thank you for the lock. Oops, I screwed it up. Here comes the ball bearings. Anyway, I'll be back in the beginning of next week, I think. Until then, oh, I got half an hour. Until then, everybody watching, thank you for watching, and see you soon. Finally. Fantastic.